we go. Once again, skillet man in the van, cooking venison in the pan. And we're 2 seconds by the river because I can. Look at that, beautiful. Right, back to the cooking. Sorry about the clicking. That is the diesel heater running because it's not very warm. It's only 2 degrees today and it's 20 in here. There we go. 20 in here. Beautiful. Right, so without further ado, let's get cooking. It's a bit cool today, so I hope they liked. Oh, might have to break out the lighter. Not a problem. Oh, there we go. Just need to warm up a little bit. Now, this is gonna shock you a little bit because you're gonna think, what on earth is that? That, my friends, is a marrow bone. Now we're gonna warm it up a little bit if I can, and then I'm gonna scrape out the marrow from the inside, and we're gonna cook with the marrow, and we're also gonna spread the marrow on. I'll show you as we go along. Hold on. One mushroom. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, right. Oh, look at that. Next goes on the venison, and this is a nice piece of beautiful venison. Once I get it out the packet. Don't want to overcook it. Sear it. Hold on, I need to sear it. Oh. So we're going to render that down, the bone marrow, which you can see anyway. So we're going to start cooking the mushrooms in the bone marrow as well. And if anybody's wondering what it tastes like, I have no idea. It's the first time I've ever cooked with bone marrow. So being a butcher, I believe it's going to be pretty bloody tasty. So that's the idea. So we'll let the steak to one side. I don't want to overcook the steak. Just render that down a little bit, and I've got another little icky coming up as well. So, give me a second. Next, this is sourdough. And I don't want to go the exact way, I think. I'm going to cut the crust off there. Now I'm going to do a nice big helping. I love sourdough because it doesn't affect me in any way. Actually makes me feel quite good. So I'll put that back in the packet. And we're going to cook the sourdough up a little bit. Just flip over these mushrooms, turn it around. Right, so if I just pull that to one side, where the heat is, and then what we're going to do is put a bit of this. Mushrooms doing well. No waste. Look at that. Beautiful. There's the beautiful River Severn flowing in the background. All I want now is a kingfisher just to land right in front of us. That would be lovely. Just take that off. Oh, there you get a try in a minute. Okay, off it goes. That goes nice. Okay, bring you round. See if we can have a see what this is like. It should be quite rare. This is like, it's like cutting. Beautiful. So I'm not too sure what the cut is. It doesn't tell me. I'll have a look in a minute. Oh, you can smell it. Beautiful taste. Beautiful smell, I mean, not taste. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Don't rest the blood. Put that in there and let the bread soak that up. Then what we'll do is just move this to one side. Put it on there. Got to try a piece, haven't I? Wow. Unbelievable, honestly, that is beautiful. Oh. That. Oh. That's the words I cannot describe, it's just, oh. Honestly, that is absolutely insane. Sorry about the camera, but we are in a van and we are making do. Okay, so here goes the B-roll shot. Look at this. Absolutely magnificent. And the taste, I'm not joking, it's almost better, well I think it is, than fillet steak, because you get the full flavour with it. Oh. Right, we're going to try this. This is cooked in marrowbone jelly, or marrowbone, whatever you want to call it. It is jelly, marrowbone fat, straight from a fresh marrowbone, which I got, with venison, mushrooms, and nothing else actually. No salt, no pepper, and it is, well, just the meat alone is amazing. So, well, I just bit through the meat, easy. And the mushrooms, oh. You got to try this. This is absolutely disgustingly beautiful. Okay, amazing. Look at that. And that was the smallest piece of venison. I think it was about £3.29. I'll tell you what, you got that small, unbelievable. Mushroom. Excuse me. That beats fillet steak hands down. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. And in the countryside, by the river, what more could you want? Take care. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. Excuse me. I'll clean up. You keep watching them. I'll keep producing them. All the best. Love you loads. And I hope you're drooling right now, because this is absolutely amazing. This is cooked on sourdough bread with onions and using, like I said, marrowbone jelly. All right. See you in the next one. All the best.